Disclaimer: efforts have been made to not to infringe with any copyright. If so, it may be brought to our notice for its acknowledgement in future editions. No part of this digital content be reproduced, stored, or distributed in any or by any means either on paper or electronic media unless authorized. Digital content for candidates with speech and hearing disability. Sector: Media and Entertainment. Subsector: Animation, Gaming. Occupation: Animator. Reference ID: MES/Q0701. Version 1.0. NSQF Level 4. Chapter 6: Produce 3D Animation. Unit 6.7: Polygon Texturing. Polygon Texturing. Creating a cracker box model. To create a cracker box model using a cube primitive. Select Create Polygon Primitives Cube. Select Edit Reset Settings in Polygon Cube Options window and set following options. Then click on Create Width 8, Height 10, Depth 3, Width Divisions 1, Height Divisions 1, Depth Divisions 1, Axis Y, Create UVs on. Polygon Texturing. Now a cube which is primitive in shape of a rectangular box appears in scene view. Make sure that primitive object is being created with a set of default UV texture coordinates when Create UVs option is on it. All polygon primitives in the Maya software provide this option of creating UV texture coordinates. Normalize off. Polygon modeling. Now, using channel box, translate Y attribute is set to 5 because cracker box is relocated to rest on axis. Now, pcube1 primitive is renamed to cracker underscore box axis. Rename the pcube1 primitive to cracker underscore box. Rename option. Applying a texture map to a polygon mesh. Select Shading Smooth Shade all from the panel menu in the scene view. It would display cracker box with a default shading material gray and smooth, which is lit using default lighting. Now, when Smooth Shade All is turned on, it shows assigned shading material which is applied to cracker box in the steps below. Applying texture. Right-click on any area of the cracker box in scene view and select Assign New Material marking menu. Assign new material. New Lambert shading material has been created and has been assigned to Crackerbox. Attribute Editor appears and shows different attributes of the newly created Lambert shading material. Lambert material. New Lambert material is same as the default gray material which was assigned previously to Crackerbox. Double-click in the Lambert 2 box in Attribute Editor and then type box underscore material in order to rename shading material. Rename material. Renaming lets the user to easily recognize it later when it is needed to be edited. Generally speaking, naming different items in unique manner in Maya software is handy habit. Move color slider in Attribute Editor to the extreme right till the color box becomes white. Color picker. Shading material which is assigned to box model changes in scene view. It appears in more bright tone. Now click the map button which is on the right of color slider. Create render node appears and it shows different texture options which may be applied to color channel of box material. From the list of 2D textures, PSD file is clicked. .psd file. Thank you.